Your sales process is leaking money. Every day, leads fall through the cracks, follow-ups get missed, and potential customers walk away. You started your business to serve clients and grow profitable company, not to spend hours chasing leads and manually updating spreadsheets. But instead, you have built yourself a sales treadmill. You are constantly juggling leads at different stages, trying to remember who needs follow-up and struggle with forecasting your revenue accurately. Research shows that small businesses lose 71% of qualified leads simply due to poor follow-up processes. If you don't fix your sales system right now, you will continue to invest in marketing and generate leads you can't even effectively convert. But what if I told you there was a way to make a sales process run like clockwork? A system so effective that leads are automatically qualified, nurtured, and primed to buy without you having to manually track every interaction. A system that ensures no prospect falls through the cracks and increases your closing rate up by 300%. That's exactly what we'll be discussing in this video today. I am Chandan. I am a business automation specialist who has helped over 200 small businesses and mid-sized businesses implement sales systems that convert more leads with less effort. I work with companies across industries to transform chaotic sales processes into streamlined engines that consistently generate revenue. And today I am going to discuss with you exactly how do I really do it. So this is the exact system used by companies that have doubled or tripled their revenue without adding a single salesperson into their team. By the end of this video, you will have a complete blueprint to automate your sales process and finally close deals consistently without working nights and weekends. So let's get started. Most business owners make one devastating mistake with their sales. They think personal hustle and persistence are the only way to close the deals. And I'm talking about mostly small businesses, solopreneurs, and mid-sized businesses. They believe that if they are not personally following up with every lead, sending every proposal, and handling every objection, their sales will collapse. This is exactly why they are trapped, and they stay trapped. Let me tell you about Michael. He ran a growing IT services company but was spending 30 hours every week on sales activities, manually qualifying leads, sending follow-up emails, and preparing proposals from scratch. Every time, his close rate was actually decent, but he was exhausted and had no time to work, especially on the client deliverables, on business strategy. One day, his biggest client called him for some urgent problem, but Michael missed it because he was busy cold calling leads. That wake-up call cost him a $50,000 contract. If that scenario sounds familiar, then listen carefully, because the only way Michael saved his business and doubled his revenue was by implementing sales automation. Let's talk about three-part framework for sales automation that can transform your business. Follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, create your sales pipeline architecture. So before you get into automating everything into the CRM, define how leads are going to move through your sales process. Map out every stage from new lead to closed deals. For most businesses, this includes qualification, discovery, proposal, negotiation, and closing. Identify the criteria for moving leads between the stages. What exactly must happen between 2 stages before a prospect moves from qualification to discovery? Document the specific actions that trigger stage transitions. For example, completing an assessment call moves a lead from qualification to discovery. That's an example. So now we're talking about step number 2. Build your sales automation engine. This is where efficiency is created. Implement lead scoring that automatically qualifies prospects based on their behavior and characteristics. Tools like Salesforce or HubSpot or Pipedrive can assign point values or scores to actions like visiting your pricing page or downloading any specific resources. Set up automated workflow or the follow-up sequence for each stage of your pipeline. When someone requests information, they automatically receive a series of personalized emails spaced out at the perfect intervals, like 2 days or 1 day, or even depending upon your industry norms. Create proposal templates and automated workflows that populate customer-specific information into professional document in seconds instead of hours. Now let's talk about step number 3. Implement intelligent tracking and optimization. Data makes a difference between average and exceptional results. Use analytics to identify where leads are getting stuck and optimize these stages. Tools like Salesforce or even simple CRMs, they can all show you conversion rates between stages. So from stage 1 to stage 2, what is the conversion rate and how things are going on. This can automate your sales forecast so that you always know what's going on and what's coming. Set up trigger alerts for deal-saving interventions. For example, when a hot prospect hasn't responded in 5 days, you get a notification to make a personal call. Test different messaging, timing, and offers to continuously improve your close rate. Now imagine this. You wake up to find that overnight leads came in from your website. They're automatically scored, and the qualified ones already received personalized outreach. Your pipeline shows exactly which deals are most likely to close this week, and all the information you need for each call organized in one place. You spend your morning on high-value sales conversions instead of administrative tasks, and your conversion rates are actually higher than when you were manually handling everything. So now you have a choice. Keep letting leads slip through the cracks while you drown in sales admin, or implement this automation system and watch your close rate and revenue multiply while you work less. But here's the thing. Even with perfect sales automation, your business is still missing a critical component if you don't have a central command center to manage everything. How much valuable data are you failing to capture? How many insights are you missing by having your tools disconnected? How much faster could you grow if you had a complete 360 view of your entire business? That's why in my next video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your CRM as the ultimate command center for your entire business, not just for sales, but marketing, customer service, and operations too. Click the notification bell so you don't miss it, because this sales automation system combined with a powerful CRM command center is what truly allows your business to scale predictably while giving you complete visibility and control. See you in my next video.